Hello, my dear learners. You have come to learn how to solve word problems on linear equations. And if you follow this video, then by the end of this video, I can assure you that you will learn how to solve the word problems. Hi, I am Moshumi and I love maths. I have started this practice and learn maths to create love for mathematics in the hearts of all those who hate maths. Okay, let me introduce you to the format of this video. In this video, I will be giving you 20 questions on word problems on linear equations divided into 3 sections. Section 1 will consist of 5 multiple choice questions. Section 2 will consist of 10 easy questions for practice. And section 3 will consist of 5 questions which will be little difficult. So here we learn maths while practicing the problems. At the end of the video, you will get a small trick or a puzzle on maths for you to enjoy. So please do watch my video till the end, and if you think it is helpful and enjoyable, then please do like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. You read the first 5 questions and then answer them by pausing the video. When you start again, I will give the correct answers with some explanations so that you understand why your answer is right or wrong. Now you can see the questions of section 1. You should not take more than 10 minutes to answer these questions. Question 1. Which of the following are consecutive numbers? Correct answer is 1C. Consecutive numbers are numbers that follow each other in order. They have a difference of 1 between two numbers. So 11, 10, 9 are the consecutive numbers. Question number 2. Which of the following are consecutive odd numbers? The correct answer is 2B. Consecutive odd numbers are odd numbers that follow each other and they differ by 2. So x minus 2, x plus 2 are consecutive odd numbers since they differ by 2, while the rest are not so. Question number 3. Which of the following are consecutive even numbers? Correct answer is 3C. Consecutive even numbers are even numbers that follow each other and they differ by 2. So x plus 2, x minus 2 are consecutive odd numbers since they differ by 2, while the rest are not so. So you can see that both consecutive even numbers and consecutive odd numbers can be represented as x minus 2, x and x plus 2. Question number 4. Your maths tutor is 16 years older than you. If your present age is n years, then what is your tutor's age in terms of n? The correct answer is 4C. Present age is n years. Maths tutor is 16 years older than you. So, maths tutor's present age is equal to your age plus 16 years is equal to n plus 16. Question number 5. Your father is 5 times older than you. If the present age of your father is n years, then what is your age now in terms of n? Correct answer is 5D. Father's present age is n. Father is 5 times older than you means you are 5 times younger than your father. So your age is equal to father's age divided by 5 is equal to n over 5. Now comes important points to remember while solving word problems on linear equations. Step 1 is read the question 2 or 3 times and try to understand the problem. Second step is note down the known quantities. Third step, assign a variable, say x, y, n, p, etc. to represent the unknown quantity. Step 4, if there is more than one unknown quantity, find a way to write the second unknown in terms of the first. Step 5. Convert the word statement to a mathematical equation using the variable, equal sign and the mathematical operations. Last step. Now solve the equation and represent your answer according to the question. Now that you have got a good knowledge on how to solve the word problems on linear equations, solve the following 10 questions of section 2 while pausing the video. Once you are back, I will give the correct answer to these questions and show you the step-by-step solutions to them. You keep a count of the number of correct answers. You should not take more than 20 minutes to solve the questions. Sixth question. Find 3 consecutive whole numbers whose sum is 42. So, as we have said earlier, the consecutive whole numbers are represented as x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So, if we add them up, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 gives us 42. Now we solve it the way we have learned it earlier. We subtract 3 from both sides, we get 3x is equal to 39. Divide both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 13. Now we can't leave our sum over here. The question is find 3 consecutive whole numbers. So the numbers are 13, x plus 1 14 and x plus 2 is 15. That is the answer. Question number 7. Find 3 consecutive even numbers whose sum is 84. So, consecutive even numbers we take as x minus 2 plus x plus x plus 2. The 3 consecutive even numbers, their sum is 84. If we add them up, we are getting minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. We get 3x is equal to 84. Divide both sides by 3. We get x is equal to 28. So, the 3 consecutive even numbers are 26, x minus 2, x is 28 and x plus 2 is 30. That's the answer. Find 3 consecutive odd integers whose sum is 57. So again we can take odd integers as x minus 2 plus x plus 2. That gives us 57. This one gets cancelled out. We get 3x is equal to 57. Divide both sides by 3. We get x is equal to 19. So the numbers are 17, x minus 2, x is equal to 19, and x plus 2 is equal to 21. That's the answer. Now sum number 9. A number is multiplied by 7 and then 12 is taken away. The result is 51. Find the number. Okay. Let the number be x. The number is multiplied by 7, 7x. Then 12 is taken away, which gives us 51. Now we solve the equation. We subtract 12 from both sides. We add 12 on both sides. Divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. We get x is equal to 9. So, that's the answer. Sum number 10. The sum of 4 times a number and 5 is same as the sum of 3 times a number and 7. So let the number be P. We get the equation as 4P plus 5 is equal to 3P plus 7. Subtract 3P from both sides. Subtract 5 from both sides. We get P is equal to 2, and that is the answer. Next we move on to sum number 11. Half of a number equals twice the number plus 4. So let the number be n. So n over 2 is equal to 2n plus 4. Now we cross multiply. N is equal to 2, 2n plus 4. N is equal to 4n plus 8. Subtract 4n from both sides. Divide both sides by minus 3. We get n is equal to minus 8 over 3. If we convert it into mixed fraction, we are getting minus 2 over 3. That's the answer. Sum number 12. The denominator of a fraction is 8 more than its numerator. This fraction is equivalent to 1/3. What is the fraction? So, if the numerator is n, then the denominator is represented as x plus 8 because it is 8 more, and this fraction is equal to 1/3. Now we cross multiply this, we get 3n is equal to n plus 8. Subtract n from both sides. We get 2n is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2. We get n is equal to 4. And that's the answer. I hope you all are understanding. Sum number 13. Now these are age problems. John is 13 years older than Susan. If the sum of their ages is 35, how old are they? So let us take Susan's age. Susan's present age as equal to n. Then John is 13 years older than Susan. So John is equal to n plus 13. Now sum of their ages is 35. So n plus 13 is equal to 35. Subtracting or we get 2n plus 13 is equal to 35. Subtract 13 from both sides. We get 2n is equal to 22. Divide both sides by 2. We get n is equal to 11. We can't stop over here because they have asked how old are they. So Susan is 11 years and John is 11 plus 13 is equal to 24 years. That's the answer. Now sum number 14. Ravi is 4 times older than Rohan. Is Ravi is 12 years older than Rohan. How old are they? Let Rohan be Rohan's age is X years. Ravi is 4x. Also, Ravi is 12 years older than Rohan. So we can write that 4x is equal to x plus 12. Subtracting both sides by subtract x from both sides, we get 3x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 4. So, Rohan is 4 years and Ravi is 16 years. That's the answer. Now sum number 15. The difference between the ages of two girls is 5 years. Their total age is 23 years. Find the age of each girl. So let one girl A's age is equal to X years. Girl B's age is equal to X plus 5 years. Since their difference of age is 5 years. So, we can write x plus 5 is equal to 23. Since their total age is 23, we get 2x plus 5 is equal to 23. Subtracting 5 from both sides, we get 2x is equal to 18. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 9. So, one is 9 years, another one is 14 years. 9 plus 5. That's the answer. So now you check your score. If your score is 6 out of 10, then you can start solving the next section. But if your score is less than 6, then you need to check my previous video on how to solve linear equations. The link of the video is given below in the description box. After you solve section 3, I will again give you the step-by-step solutions and the correct answers. You should not take more than 15 minutes to solve the questions. Sum number 16. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than its numerator. On subtracting 1 from each numerator and the denominator, the fraction becomes half. Find the original fraction. Let the numerator be x. Then the denominator is x plus 4. Now, since it is 4 more than the numerator, the original fractions is represented as fraction is equal to x plus 4. Equation is given by x minus 1 x plus 4 minus 1. Since 1 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator, gives me half. So I get x minus 1 x plus 3 is equal to half. Now by cross multiplying 2, x minus 1 is equal to x plus 3. 2x minus 2 is equal to x plus 3. Subtracting x from both sides, we get x minus 2 is equal to 3. Adding 2 to both sides, we get x is equal to 5. So, the fraction is 5 over 9, and that is the answer. Sum number 17. Divide 25 into two parts such that 7 times the first part added to 5 times the second part makes 139. Let the first part be x. Then the second part is 25 minus x. Now the equation is 7x plus 5 25 minus x is equal to 139. We are simply converting the word problem into a mathematical statement. We get 7x is equal to 125 minus 5x is equal to 139. 2x plus 125 is equal to 139. Subtract 125 from both sides. We get 2x is equal to 14. Divide both sides by 2. We get x is equal to 7. So, the two numbers are 7 and 25 minus 7. That gives me 7 and 18. That's the answer. Okay, question number 18. What same number should be added to each of the numbers 15, 23, 29, 44 to obtain numbers which are proportional? Let x be the number that will be added to the given numbers. So that we get 15 plus x is proportional to 23 plus x is equal to 29 plus x proportion to 44 plus x. This we can write it in the fractional form 15 plus x. Now let us solve it by cross multiplying. Fifteen times 44 is 660 plus 59x plus x square is equal to 29 times 23 is 667 plus 52x plus x square. If we subtract x square from both sides, we are getting 660 plus 59x is equal to 667 plus 52x. If we subtract 52x from both sides, we are getting 660 plus 7x is equal to 667. Subtract 660 from both sides, we get 7x is equal to 7. Divide both sides by 7, we are getting x is equal to 1. So the number 1 needs to be added to all those numbers to make it proportional. Sum number 19. A man is twice as old as his son. 12 years ago, the man was thrice as old as his son. Find their present ages. Let the present age of the son's present age be n years. The man is twice as old, so man's age, present age is equal to 2n. And 12 years ago, son's age is equal to n minus 12 and man's age was 2n minus 12. So we get the equation as 2n minus 12 is equal to 3n minus 12. Since 12 years ago, the man was thrice as old as his son. So, solving this, (36). If we subtract 3n from both sides, we get minus n minus 12 is equal to minus 36. If we add 12 to both sides, we get minus n is equal to minus 24. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get n is equal to 24. So the son's present age is equal to 24 years and the man present age is double of that, that is 48 years. And that is the answer. Okay, sum number 20. After 9 years, Johnny will be 3 times as old as what he was 9 years ago. What is the present age of Johnny? So, present age of Johnny x years. The equation we are getting is x plus 9 is 3 times as old as what he was 9 years ago. Now solve this equation, x plus 9 subtracting 3x from both sides, we get minus 2x plus 9 is equal to minus 27. Subtracting 9 from both sides, we get minus 2x is equal to minus 36. Multiply both sides by or divide both sides by minus 2. We get x is equal to 18. So Johnny's present age is 18 years. That's the answer. You can check your answers now. Now comes the magic maths. This time it is a puzzle. Find the biggest number using 4 ones. Use 4 ones to write down the largest number without using any mathematical operations or symbols, meaning you cannot use any plus, minus, multiplication or division sign. Okay, you see the first thing that comes is 1111, that is 1111, which is many more times smaller than 11 to the power of 11. You can use a calculator to find the value of 11 to the power of 11 if you have a very powerful calculator. Remember, 11 to the power of 11 exceeds 265,000 million and consequently is some 25 million times greater than the number 1111. Isn't it interesting? Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. If you want any modifications in the teaching method, then please do comment. So that's all for today. See you in another video with another topic. Thank you.